Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. If today is your first time you are coming across my video or my channel, please, and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to your Get channel. But if you have subscribed and you have been supporting me ever since, I say may God richly bless you. Today I bring another wonderful video for us to watch and learn and get something out of it. I say may God richly bless us as we all watch this video together. Let's go there. Hello, is your sister, your friend, Glad Makeover TV. How are you guys doing? Happy Christmas. How was your Christmas? As for me, mine was great. I don't know about you, but I believe everybody is fine. So now we are stepping into 2021. So how do you prepare for it? As for me, God is my number one. That is my direction. I follow God. I don't know about you. Please, as we are going to 2021, take God first. In anything you are doing, take God first. God is number one. Oh God. When you are with God, when you have God, you have everything. When you have God, you have everything. When you have God, you have joy. So, I don't know about you. That's what I'm telling you. As for me, I take my God. I follow my God. So, this 2021, let's do what will make us happy. Let's do what we know when we are doing it. We are comfortable with it. Spirit of enviness, take it away. Don't let spirit of enviness dwell in you. Don't let the spirit of, I don't want this person. If you see two people, that is when you want to be number one. And you are not comfortable doing it. Know that you are okay doing it, but your mind will not be at rest. Your mind will not be at rest. Just be flying from one place to another. Just want to be there. You want to be here. If you can do it, okay. It's okay. If you are doing it and you are happy with it, no problem. But if you are not doing it, just you are doing it, just you don't want other people to be okay. That is, it just these two people they want. Or another thing I want to say too. Please, this one go for the matured people. I'm saying this for matured people out there, or the people that immature too. You see, you and this person have been playing for long, or it's not too long, but you are together. Another person will just come because of jealousy spirit. What you yourself, you don't even, this person will just come and pump things that you don't even know about the other person to your mind. Then you just pick. Then you just start analyzing that thing that this person said. That means you are immature. At least if you are mature, just know that this one that is coming, let me watch this one first. Watch this one that is coming, because you don't know the type of spirit. There are people that are going with bad spirit. They will just come. It's for them to come and destroy that thing. They will just come. There is for them to come and change the whole thing, the whole situation. Maybe where everybody is happy, everybody are doing good thing, they will just come. They want to be number one. And they want to spoil those things. They want to be the best among all. But you forget one thing. You are only doing the best for yourself. You cannot be the best for everybody. We are going to 2021. This one is for matured people. Use your head. Love you people. Everybody around you are bad. So, are you the best? Check yourself a little bit. At least, check yourself. Think about yourself. The area that you know, as for me, sometimes I will sit down and think, this area, I think I'm not good in it. This area, I need to change from it. So, also with you, check yourself. Sometimes think, am I really doing well in all areas? As in this area, am I okay in it? In this area, am I okay in it? You know, we always talk about friends. My friend is bad. My friend is this. My friend is that. But for you, what type of friend are you? And another thing, if you are a type of friend that when your friends do something and you have not do that thing, as in, maybe for example, your friend just buy something and that thing you yourself you have not buy it, your mind is like, It's like you are in hell. You will not be comfortable with yourself again. You will just, all you just do, I don't know if I will call it jealousy, if I will call it enviness, I don't know. You will not be happy because your mate have this thing, your friends, of I don't know what to call it, but at least the one that you have, be contented with what you have. If you, another point of it, if you are this kind of person, you see, apart from buying, you see your friend do this something, and know that you cannot do it at your comfortable time, you can do it. But if that moment you cannot do it, please, for you, relax your head. It's good. Give yourself, at least, give yourself a break. I don't know what to call it. No, because somebody do this thing, somebody is with this person, this one is with this person, and because that moment you have other things that you are doing, or that moment you are not too strong for yourself, just for you to relax, you will not, it's like problem to you. You want to do everything, you want to be in everywhere at the same time, which isn't possible. It's not even good for your health. If your body wants you to rest, if you just want to rest, relax. Don't think about what your friends are doing. Fine, it's not good to be lazy, it's good to work hard, yes, it's truth, but sometimes give yourself a break. Give yourself, you need it. It's good for the body, it's good for the health. Not because your mate do it, because you see your mate do it, you want to do it by fire, by thunder, you want to do it at least, my women, my friends, my sisters, my mommies, my brothers outside there, please, sometimes it's good you relax your head. Think, not just, if for example, your friend is in a, your friend is in so place, you want to be there by fire, by thunder, you don't want another person to be there. I, yeah, please, sometimes take break. We need it. Me, sometimes I do take break. Oh, I need it. I will just, even my phone, I know nobody's going to call me. I will just put it on silent. I will just relax my head. Maybe when the kids are in the school, I just talk to my husband. The next time, just put it on silent. I said, I want to relax my head. It's good for the body. Not because your mate do it, you want to do it by fire, by thunder. Hey, relax your head is good. And another thing. Now we want to go to New Year. At least sit down, think. Now I'm going to New Year. The things that is not good for you, the things that you know is not good for the new year, that is the thing. Sit down. I said it before. I said sit down and think. There are some things you yourself you know is not good for you. It's not good, but you are trying your possible best to just leave these things. At least we want to enter New Year. Not everything devil do. Not everything devil. I know. I don't know how to put that place. Talk and say something about that place. Not everything, but devil. Sometimes you yourself, if you relax and think, you will see that devil is just on his own, doing his own thing. Just for you to just know what you are doing. Just for you to concentrate. Not because you see your mate doing it. Not because if you see two people playing, because you want to go there to go and be the number one, you are the best among all, you will not relax, you will not stop, you just go there, just be, you are the best. Hey, fine, it's good to be good person, but at least if you are the type that just want to be good in all area, to everybody you are number one, not because you are doing it because you are comfortable with it, because of the, it's a spirit. I don't, because you don't just want those people want to be close than me now. No, for you to even take care of your kids, to take care of yourself, impossible. You want to just to be there that particular time. Hey, let's, these things, and we women, we need it to, we need to relax. We need to relax our brain. At least this is, we want to enter new year now. We want to enter new year now. We are going to 2021. What are the things that is not good for you? If are you the jealousy type? Are you the type that you don't want to see people happy? Are you the type that always talk here, just try to spoil people's name? Are you the type that you see your mate progress, your inside you will be bitter, inside you are envy, it's because your mate are progressing? Are you the type that you will see uh, people happy, you are not happy because they are happy? Are you the type that you don't see other people as in that they are better than you are always the fine, you to your own self you are the best? Don't always use yourself to compare other people. No, do what you can do and leave the rest for God. What type of person are you? If you are the type that see people progressing and you are not happy, my dear, you need God. Call on God. You need God. Are you the type when you see friends, these people, I want to be there. What I was trying to say before, not because you are doing this thing, you are comfortable doing it, but you are doing it because you don't want, you are not comfortable. After this stress, you just do. One day you will first sick, you will sick. But at least if you are doing it, maybe you want to be with Peter, you want to be with John, you want to be with this one, you want to be with this one, you just want to make everybody okay. You want to satisfy everybody. If you are comfortable doing it, thank you. Good of you. But if you know you are doing, when you are doing it, it's like, oh, you are not comfortable doing it, you are not happy doing it. You are doing it not because you are doing it, you are happy doing it, because you don't want other person to do that thing. Because I don't know what word will I put there. So if I'm not there, another person will not be there. Another person, they will not say it's the person that do it. You just, everything, you are the number one. You are not. But please, I'm begging. Sometimes relax yourself. Let them do it if they can do it. You relax yourself. Do what will make you happy. Don't do it because you want to make people happy. No, don't do it because you want to show yourself. Don't do it because you want to be the best of all. Because I don't think you can be best of all. You will kill yourself. You can only be best there is, you can only do the best in you. But you can't be the best of all. Eh? There is parable in my dialect that said, Ose, I'm a wukmo. I said, if maybe close today, this one will just rain. Tomorrow, another, you will see another day, another one, and next month, another one will rain again. Yes, another one will rain. So, you are not, if you yourself, you say, I'm the best, I'm the, just try your best to be best. Do the best in you. It's only you know. It's only just about yourself, not about others. Do it the way you know it will be okay. This is just my advice for, as we are stepping into 2021. Do what will make you happy. Do what will make you happy. Don't do it because you want to please other people, because you can't please everybody. As for me, I have taken that step. I will do the one I can do that will make me happy. I will just relax. It's very good. Then try it. You will see. Always do what will make you happy. Yes, so try it. You will like it. Thank you all. Is your Get a Gay Glad Makeover TV, your sister, your friend. Yes, we are stepping into 2021 by special grace of God. I believe 2021 will be a great year again. A great year. That is my belief for sure. Yes, thank you all. Bye bye. I love you all.